Mm. Extrude. So I want exactly like this. You see this corner? We can use sweep. There is another one also. No. Huh? Loft also no need. Because it's just one rectangular shape, right? So what you can do, go to the modify, just make him as 3D. Here, rendering, enable in render, enable in viewport, make it rectangular. Select the line, go to the modify, in the rendering, enable in render, enable in viewport, here, this one, enable in rendering, and yeah, just check him. Yeah, make it rectangular. And then here, change the radial to rectangular. And give the dimension, how much it is, let's say around maybe 50. Ah, modify, enable in render, enable in viewport, just rectangular, how much length and width you want, you can give the value. Basically by this command, this shape is still, this is still a shape, this is not like a 3D geometry. This is a 3D geometry. Essentially it's a line. It is a line actually, but just to see by presentation it looks like a 3D geometry because we just increase the thickness of the line also. This happened or what? No. You already converted him into 2D to 3D. Now it's converted in 3D. Yes. As a rectangle. As a rectangle now. Now it's a rectangle, proper rectangle. Otherwise we can make a 3D box and we can fix it directly. That also. What is the difference in this command and that after extruding we have to work sweep? Sweep, if you have a different shape, you can use it. There are many different type of cornices. For that you can use sweep, but this is just a rectangular object, right? This bottom, we don't need to use sweep for this. This is normal cutting, so you don't really need to use sweep, pick path, no need. Okay, so give the length and the width, depends upon how much you want, and remember it comes from the center, it doesn't comes from the corners. Okay, so once you're done with the length and the width, unisolate him to bring it back. All Q, yeah, so it should look like this.
ரைட் கிளிக், உங்களுக்கு ரைட் கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு unhide all. Done?
It is not coming, that bulb is not there.
Which is not there? There is no bulb. Okay.
Isolate view, unisolate view.
Which is the light bulb.
View, there is something else.
In 17 this is not bulb, in 16 it's a bulb. Yeah.
This code only half it is
Which one? Yeah. In the door it will not have it.
No, I meant here only half the actual things about
Half it inside, right?
Because floor thickness is from 300.
From the center.
because it's not something. Because before bulb was there, now it's not acceptable.
So the radius of which we got that we got the outside.
This,
No, that's the floor.
this is
Select the word. Because the floor is 150 top, it should be down by I also want to this one, right? Why there is only one? It's okay if it is half inside, half outside. You will attach it. So let's start this. Then we have this. That way you will not see this one.
I don't know this.
Rest what going inside we will attach.
Actually, this is actually inside the floor. So you come
Yeah, it is inside the floor, but if you want to little bit up, select the starting. And in the Z axis, overhead access 3,150.
He's saying to take it down.
See, the bottom of ceiling applies on it does not put the thickness one half. That's all. But they're just
Why? You do it? This one is okay.
actually, sir, we can move this one.
Which one?
On the building.
your door is open to the windows.
Might also say, but I changed it.
Actually, it's down. I need to move.
Which is the
Go down to the street line is
Again, I put it two options.
Did you go there? Is it a food? Is it two lanes? Okay. So, we have
Okay, next, done with the bottom. Let's go for the ceiling part. So again, select the wall, Alt Q to isolate. Select the wall, Alt Q to isolate. And go to the create. In the top view, go to the create. Click on the rectangle. Click on the rectangle. And draw a rectangle from the inside till the inside. It will come as a 3D, so it doesn't matter. It's okay. Just draw from inside wall to inside wall.
what is that selecting?
Say again.
What is select? Have to escape?
The snap should be on. The snap is on.
Yeah.
2.5
Okay, snap out.
on.
3 snap or 2 snap?
2.5. In 16 is 2.5. In 17 is 2 is working.
Okay, I wait then off on.
On.
Yeah.
Then draw it
From outside to inside.
from inside.
No, I'm taking one image.
Wall is not selecting.
So that
The same like the scraping is coming.
No problem. Let it come.
This rectangle from edge to
Sorry.
edge.
Escape twice to finish it.
Okay, the snap is 2.5.
Mm. Click the point from the corner to corner. Mm-hmm. Done. Then once you finish drawing the shape, you have to make him back to 2D. So select that object which you have drawn, go to the modify and uncheck enable in render and enable in viewport to make him as a 2D line. Uncheck enable in render and enable in viewport.
So previously we made it like line.
and we made him enable in previously we made him as a line and we said enable in render and enable in viewport, so it became 3D.
It became a
Yeah, so now whenever you draw a new line, it will take the same settings again and again.
No, that line is already there now.
The line we converted to 3D will be 3D only. So whatever you draw, if you don't want it to be 3D, you have to uncheck it. Okay.
So how taking the same
Mm.
line?
Select the line, go to the modify, uncheck enable in render and uncheck enable in viewport.
Like I just want to wall,
It's not going to the line. Do one thing, go to the perspective view, select the wall, right click, hide the wall also. So you should have only the line. Mm. Now select that object which you created, go to the modify and do the uncheck. Enable in render, enable in view. The skirting will automatically get hidden because you already isolated it. The one you have is not the skirting. Okay. Yeah. Now go to the modifier list. Type SW on your keyboard for sweep. Select the rectangle. No need to hide it because he couldn't select. That is the reason. Okay. Now select that rectangle. Go to the modifier list. SW on your keyboard for sweep.
Select the rectangle, then
Go to the modifier list. SW on your keyboard. Sweep.
making 3D now.
Yeah. We are making the profile now.
So we are going to rectangle and making it a 2D object. Selecting the rectangle.
And we are applying sweep. Yes. No, when you made that bottom sweep, what happened is we said enable in render and enable in viewport, right? So the line we change it to 3D and we mention the length as 100, width as 50. Okay. Now whenever you create again 2D shape, everything will be length 150. Okay, so he remembers the previous setting. So we are making him back to 2D so that we can apply a different modifier. Otherwise, it will not take a different modifier. Okay. Uh,
Select the wall, now it cannot go to rectangle.
I couldn't go to the line.
Go to the 3D view. You done with this one. Select the wall. Hide. Now select
Something thickness. You have modified this?
the sweep. I didn't make anything. 6 millimeters.
If you want, you can hide the wall in the perspective to see the sweep how it looks. You can select the wall, right click on your mouse and hide the selection. Done? Okay, so in the built-in section, let's see what sweep we can choose. You have something called quarter round. Maybe that will look good. Quarter round. Quarter round has only radius, let's say. $50. I change the angle. Okay, this quarter round is good. Make the radius as 50 millimeters or maybe 100 millimeters. No, 50 is fine. and the angle as 90 degree. Make the radius as 50 and the angle in the sweep parameters as 90 degree.
Length and width is.
There is no length and width, there is only radius. If you choose quarter round.
Again, it should be in a mirror view, no? The same will go to the same.
In the middle view,
It should be rotated or it will be same.
you mean 1 minute, huh?
When
See,
you take it to roof,
this is inside, right?
yes.
So when I take this one to roof, for example, 2950. So it will be like this, see, inside. So now the wall is here.
Okay, but can we see the view?
Wait, it will look like this. See? Let me select the wall and this one. It will look like this.
The coving is on the top and the object is visible from the bottom.
Which one?
It is quarter round.
Mm.
Take it to the ceiling. This portion is on the ceiling top and this offset is on here. But it should be like this. Opposite.
It should be. Wait, where is the section? It's like this.
But it should be opposite.
90. So
So exactly the mirror image of this it should be.
this
This way.
mirror on XY plane. Then type how much height you want.
Mirror on XY plane.
Mirror on XY plane. If you want, this type like this.
So we'll mirror it.
Okay, give the radius as 50. Yeah, give the radius as 50. In the parameter. In the sweep parameters, switch on mirror on XY plane. Angle, you can make it as 90 degree. Okay. Then in the Z axis, type 3000 millimeters. 3000 and press enter to go up. No minus, nothing minus. Maybe I can make it more. 35. Fifty is fine. Okay. Then right click, unhide all to bring back all the objects. Unhide all. Why it switched off? Did you save once after doing the?
No, some error is.
Save it, everyone, before it crashes. Go to the application and make save.
Choose squat around. And radius is 50. And the mirror has 12 10 years. You can click on the select button. Select button. Side feet are which one? I don't see the can you select this one? Hide it. Right click. No, no, no. Can you unanswer it? Right click. Unanswer it.
Okay, next. So this is done, this is done. Let's start with the furnitures, starting from the table.
How will you go inside?
No need to go inside. Just select all of them, right, right click and hide selection. Right click and hide selection.
Everything.
Yeah, everything.
Then why will you want in that perspective?
In the top view.
Select everything.
And hide selection. Right click and hide selection.
All gone.
All gone. Press Z on your keyboard to zoom to fit.
Top view.
Top view. Okay, so the first furniture will be the table. Fine. So go to the create, click on the geometry, click on the box, keyboard entry. So the length I'm gonna give is this is gonna be the length. Let's say in 3D Max, no. We have to download it, yes. Let's say around 1000 length, 600 width, height 50. No, I'm not making the whole table. I'm just making this part. That's it. Click create. Escape twice to finish. 1650. So you should have a rectangle like this. Okay. Go to the perspective view. Mm. Done. Press F4 on your keyboard to see the segments. Okay. Go to the modify. Go to the modify. Now I'm going to divide them with some segments. Let's say around 20 segments on the length and 10 segments on the width. Right click on your mouse, convert to editable poly. Right click on the mouse, convert to editable poly. Click on the polygon and select that center polygon, this one, this 4. I think this 4 is right, yeah. And click on the grow. This bad idea, leave it. I don't want to make very detailed. Just select this bottom 4 corners. Select the bottom 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total height 400. So How much height we can give? It's a coffee table. 400, 450. Yeah. 400. 400. I'm gonna give in. Not make it. No, no, 400. This won't be 100. It will be around 30 something. Very tiny plate.
Thickness.
Yeah. 30, 35.
Thickness is 30.
35.
40 is 1 inch. Yeah, 1 inch. 30 is okay.
1 inch? 1 inch is 25. 25.4. Yeah. 25. So total height we will give, let's say 425 for example. Okay. Okay. Let's click on the black box near extrude. Near extrude. Black box near extrude. Type 200 and press enter.
Z axis, if you see, you have selected Z is showing up, right?
No, we are coming down. I selected the
Yeah,
bottom.
This is happening. This is happening.
Mm.
But if you see the coordinate here,
Mm.
Z is showing up.
Mm.
Still positive is down.
Because I selected the bottom.
Whatever I have selected,
Mm.
coordinate all is showing for that polygon only.
Mm.
So coordinate is
No, no, no. Coordinate is not showing for that polygon.
because coordinate is moving. If you select whatever item you will select, the coordinate will move there. So it is local coordinate,
Mm-mm.
not universal.
No, this is not local coordinate. This is view coordinate. We are not at all in the local coordinate.
That's
We are
why no view coordinate is there.
no.
There on the corner. See,
Mm.
down.
Which one?
Bottom left corner.
This one.
See that up in the screen actually.
Which?
Yes, there.
This one?
That is view coordinate.
Mm-mm. We are in view coordinate only.
Correct.
Mm.
Here in
Mm.
this screen we can see two coordinate system.
There is only one coordinate system in 3D Max. Don't confuse AutoCAD and 3D Max.
Confused.
You are confusing. Mm. You are confusing.
See,
Mm.
when you have selected this polygon,
Mm.
correct?
Polygon has no coordinates.
Okay.
Okay. When you select a bottom polygon and when you pull him, it will come down. Whether it is X or Y or Z, it doesn't matter for him. When you select the up and when you extrude him, it will go up. Which means positive is always pull, negative is always push. Doesn't go according to coordinates.
Okay. That pull and push.
Pull and push only.
So you select the top polygon.
It will go up.
Okay, if you put negative.
If you go, it will go down. Yes.
Only 200 there.
Because 200, then I will give 25, then again 200. So I can make a bridge.
One more bridge and then 25. So altogether, what is the dimension you are considering?
425.
425 you are considering.
So another way you can do, we'll make this and we'll copy this and put in the bottom.
We cannot copy a polygon.
That's also very less.
Which one?
425 altogether.
450?
No, it's 1 feet 10 inch.
It's a coffee table.
Coffee table only.
Yeah, 35 maximum.
Sitting area should be 1 feet 10 inch. So from that, if you want to assess the coffee table, then it should be 1 feet 6 inch to 1 feet 10 inch. It cannot be very less, 8 inch or 10 inch. Realistic.
It is like sitting in the sofa and doing like center table.
Center table maintain. Sofa setting is 1 feet 10 inch
Yeah, one.
from the floor. So when you give only
5
10
plus
inch,
10 is
you have to
14
bend
inches.
more to take that one.
It's totally around 40 is coming.
425 is coming.
Because the building door should be given.
Yeah, top is 50 now already. When you come down,
This is 425 mm, so 475 mm.
475 mm, it's coming. Yes. Normally it's 35 centimeter only coffee table, not more than that. Here, if you see every coffee table, 35, 420, 425. You will not see more than that. In India only, we'll have big tables.
No, this is for young.
This I can
No, 35 centimeter fixed.
So they want people
So
to bend and take it.
425.
Here they have all the Same units. If UK units, 425.
Not strictly.
1 feet. But here, see in this one, the sofa
Say
is
it's
tot-
more above the sofa level.
above. Yeah, it looks more like height. It's not because this is higher. It's the camera is like this, watching from the top.
way the view.
In the view, they keep it like that. They made the table look more bigger than the sofa. But if you want to give more height, we'll give. Who's gonna come and buy this? They'll say, I don't want this table. Okay, 200 green tick mark to finish it, and click on the black box again and type 25. Enter.
Black box again.
See.
Extrude.
We already extrude green tick mark. Again extrude 25.
Okay. To put that table.
Yeah. Green tick mark. Again extrude 200.
And 3 times.
3 times we are extrude.
Why you are doing this? You cannot do total 450 and that plane you cannot put the middle, the 25 minutes thing.
We can put in the middle, but it won't come like, it's coming from like a bridged object, coming from inside the table. That kind of detail you cannot do. That is the reason. Otherwise, what happens? You can put a plane, then you will type the coordinates, you will move here and there, it will go here and there. I don't want all those things.
So now you put 25, right?
25, then extrude him 200.
That's it, you're increasing the number of polygons.
Hmm.
Otherwise, you can put that, select the vertex and you can put a polygon in the middle.
Which-
Like what we did in the last.
Which one?
Now what you're doing is you're entering additional polygon in the middle.
Yeah, additional polygon in the middle.
You can have common polygon as a ground.
Uh-huh.
Then you can include the polygon in the middle. Like what we did in the segments.
Then if you include the segments like what we did in the model, it will increase more polygons. So now I have only in the bottom 2 polygons. That's it. So it's more easier for us. Done? Now select this polygon and control this polygon, opposite of each other. Select both the polygons, opposite of each other. Yeah. And click bridge.
You have to select all 4 sides of the.
No, only 2 sides. Select this 2 sides, bridge.
Oh, same side. I put diagonal.
Then select this 2 sides, bridge. Then select this 2 sides, bridge. No need to mention value when you are doing bridge. Fifty. Done? Bridge him. Just bridge this 2, bridge this 2, and bridge this 2.
Okay, I did.
Done? This one, once you finish bridging this 2, okay, select this both, this polygon and this polygon, and make a bridge. So you will have a bridge like this. Done?
Is it possible just to copy this top polygon?
Mm.
Put here in this place.
Yeah, I don't.
It is easy.
Then we have to type in the z-axis how much coordinates, how much you have to move.
We have this control points.
Control point, the vertex you mean?
Vertex, yes.
Even if you have control points, you have to make attach to show like it's coming from inside. See how it is coming? Okay. If you put it, it won't. You will not have that flow of coming. You will not have that detail. So if you see this in this, there is a flow. See the flow is coming.
So it means if we are copying and
Putting, then you have to attach again.
attachment is
Normally when we create plan in AutoCAD, when the lines touching the walls, we trim that part to bring the flow. Here we have to do the same thing. The flow. Otherwise, the material in the leg, it will be proper. On the floor, it won't show like it's like going like a flow. How to connect this one? Select this polygon and this polygon.
And we have to choose inner side only, right?
Inner side only, yeah.
Top and the inner side, then it will be like
Yes.
triangle.
Section, yeah.
Means you can make building just for extrude and bleach.
You can, of course.
This one is like building.
Connecting. Done? Click on the create to finish and go to the front view. Now if you see in the front view, the table, that 50 is touching exactly the grid line, right? So in the z-axis, how much I should type to take him up? 425 to make the leg sit on the correct.
Now it is under
425.
Now legs are under the floor, right?
The legs are not under the floor, sitting exactly on top of the floor.
okay. So now all these full item is one unit,
One piece.
If I copy it,
It will be single pieces.
single, so I have to attach.
Attach or group.
So if I use like extrude and bridge,
One
everything
piece.
is one.
No need to union.
No need to union, no need to attach, nothing. 425 done? Good, we given 425, not 420. Huh? 420, no 425. Why this 4.24?
Again here, 425.
Ah,
It was up, the table was up, above this zero line, right?
uh-huh.
And you provided 420. Okay, that zero line is here.
The zero,
You lifted it up.
yeah, the zero line is here.
I will enter. It will be 424.995. 0.005 days.
For type 425 again.
Enter.
Uh-huh.
And it will go.
Go to the customize in the front view. Customize unit setup.
XY also.
Huh? System unit setup. What is the distance from origin?
1.
This one, origin value 16,777,2115.
Yeah.
And the resulting accuracy?
Yeah, 0.000001.
1192 mm, right?
Maybe because of this better.
The units. It's okay, 0.999. Yeah, in the front view, select the table, click here on the select and move, type 425.
Instead we can go to front view.
It won't snap properly. The most irritating part in 3D Max is snapping. Okay, let's see where exactly our table is. Inside the house or outside the house. So right click. Partial, no, I think, no, he's on the right corner now. 0, 0, yeah. in the neighbor's home. Right click, unhide all. See, it's in the neighbor's home. Let's take it from their home.
We'll select it then unhide.
Right, no need to select anything. Just right click, unhide all. So we have how much? I'm gonna type here 3500 in the X and 3500 in the Y.
Now we have to select it.
Yeah, select the table and type the value.
3,500.
3500 in the X, 3500 in the Y.
So this is the center of the table.
This is the center of our house. Yeah,
Center of the table.
table also.
But here table looks small.
That's the size.
After sofa maybe it will go.
Now, when you add more furnitures, it looks like filth. Save it. Otherwise, if it crashes, everything goes.
Here Control S is not for saving, right?
Same. Control S, yeah. Same.
Not showing any.
No, when you press Control S, it will save. No, it won't make that loading symbol. Here, this is the shortcut. No, wait.
That I checked. It's not it.
Not,
So I
no,
don't-
Control S only.
Control is working.
Control S is working. Next, done. Now Control A to select all, right click, hide. Control A to table also hidden, yeah.
Hide selection. No?
Yeah. Control A to select all, right click and hide selection. Press Z on your keyboard to zoom to fit. The second furniture is gonna be our TV table. So first let's make this one. It's exactly in the size of the coffee table, from the top view.
I think
No,
it's
smaller.
small.
So make it 800 length. Click on the box, plus sign near the keyboard entry. Make the length 800, width,
Parameter.
yeah, a keyboard entry. Width 400, height I'm gonna give the same, 50. 800, 450. Click create. Escape twice to finish. We don't. Let's do. Okay, fine. Go to the perspective view. Go to the perspective view. Leave him as the same segments. After that, go to the perspective view. What we can do is we pull him. How much height we can give? 250. So
No, same thing you can do. Because two slots.
2 slots. So we have to do like one extrude, then this one, and again another extrude. So we can bridge.
Normally it is 150.
Table should not hide TV.
Table should not hide the
No,
TV.
it is 150 plus 150. These two slots are 150.
300, that's 400 you can give.
Plus
So-
this top one.
So one extrude 150, then 50 and 150.
150, 25, 150.
150, 25, 325. Yeah, okay. Right click, convert to editable poly. You have to select from the bottom this polygon, this one, but remember, select from the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do the same thing on the other side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
But for me, there is no kind the option convert is not
First click here, select the box first.
I select
Click here on the create first.
on the
Uh,
Uh,
mm.
Edit only I have given, but it is selecting all.
Click on the polygon, not on the element. Element will select all. Polygon.
Edit poly, right?
Editable poly. Done selecting. So once you selected, click on the black box near extrude, type 150, green tick mark to finish it. Extrude again 25, green tick mark. Extrude again 150.
Fast forward.
No, wait. Extrude. So 150, 25. Extrude again 125. Then 25.
Like the last number will be how much?
See, this is 150, 25, 125, 25. First extrude will be 150. Second extrude will be 25. No, 25. No minus here. Again 125, 25. Now select these all polygons inside and this one and bridge
I extrude, no? Nothing.
and this one and this one bridge. Hmm. Bridged polygons. Yeah. See, you have to select each one of them manually. Yeah, that's that another option. No.
No, but you can do one thing also. Select the last particle there, last particle here, last particle there, and bridge both lines. Same like what you did.
That also you can do.
Both are good.
Both are same.
Can do bridges instead of this. And after selection, I will do bridge.
Bridge, yeah.
These I have to make 2 times, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Both.
No, you have to select like I'm now selecting.
Let's finish. Done. Go to the create to finish it. Save him. Now let's all go to take a copy. Now, everyone came? Okay. Okay, fine. So once I made this one, I will go to the front view and I will make it up. So how much it was? 325.
325.
325. 425 was for our coffee table. Z axis 325. Yes.
But then I didn't understand it. Say the front view, if I mix it in the center,
Mm-hmm.
why it not open? I didn't understand it. Snapping is difficult. Fixing it is difficult.
Fixing is difficult. Yeah.
Otherwise it's okay. I mean, property is everything is like that. If I can know, if I can snap it, I can do it.
Yeah, sure. Done. Okay. Now go to the top view. Right click. Just unhide all to bring back all of them. So I'm gonna move in the x-axis. Let's say no need to rotate. I'm gonna type 6,000. How much? 600. 400 was the width, right?
7 meter by 7 meter is room.
Room.
You want to bring
Near to the wall.
one side.
So means
The width.
200.
one is 200.
300 and this
Wall is 200.
wall is 200 and width of the table is how much?
Width of the table.
Yeah, how much?
Width of the table was how much? 400. So 200 minus
2 plus 2.
400.
500 if you put, I think it will go that side. And then 3,500.
Yeah, 6,500 by 3,500, right?
6,500 will this side it will come.
This one.
Half of the 600.
Yeah.
6,400, no?
400, 800, 200. Yeah, 6,400. Yes. So the wall will be 200, 800. Okay, 6,400. Why the same? Yeah. Now still we have gap.
That is for cleaning.
It's 6,600 actually. If you want the 6,500, yeah, one can keep for cleaning. This is fine. See? Okay. And the x-axis 6,500 and the y-axis 3,500. Now this too is done. Let's select all of them. Control A to select all of them. Hide selection.
We need to test the word.
No, doesn't matter. We'll just leave 100 gap. No problem.
High on.
Hide all.
There is no comment hide all.
Is there?
Selected all.
Hide unselected will hide all of them.
Hide selections.
Hide selection. Hide unselected will select all of them.
Then right click will be
Because if you see it,
Save it, Don't forget to save it. Which one? We have to do the sofa?
Isn't it like the one we did before this for you to do?
No need to do lathe and all. Not too many details. See, this is separate, this is separate, this is separate, this is separate, this is separate. That's it. Okay, budget problem, no lathe. So we will buy a normal sofa. So, click on the box in the top view. Plus sign near the keyboard entry. How much the length? It's a 2 sofa, 2 meter.
6.8, 6 feet.
18. 1800. Width will be 600.
600 for sitting. Another.
Only the sitting. Now just focus on this big one. Leave the others. Forget about the others. Just focus on this one. Don't focus on the legs and don't focus on the cushions. Just this one. Okay, 500. And the height? 400. Okay. I think we can reduce this one, right? 1800 to, if you give for the legs 150, 150, 300, 1500. Click create.
1,500.
Yeah, 1500. Escape twice to finish. And go to the perspective. So far. Done?
By mistake, X, Y already is right?
X, Y all 0. Yes. Segment give for all of them 10, 10, 10.
Segment will need now.
Length segments, width segment, height segment 10 and 10 and 10. Done? So to make it smooth, first I will apply relax on the modifier list. Go to the modifier list and apply relax.
Relax means what it is doing.
It makes the curve, curve softer.
And 0.5.
Now make it 1, maximum value 1, and give the iteration as 2. Now iteration 1 is enough. 1 is enough. Because we will apply one more modifier. Go to the modifier list, apply turbo smooth. Iteration only 1, don't give more than that.
Relax on.
Huh?
Relax.
Relax also 1. Both of them 1 and turbo smooth, yes. 1 is enough, don't increase them, it will crash. Turbo Smooth 1.
The
iteration one.
Yeah,
already
one, yeah. Done. Now what you have to do is here, go to the edit menu, click on the clone, choose clone, make sure it's a copy, name him sofa leg, not handle, anything. Click OK.
and
Hand place, this one.
Okay.
No, don't move him now. Done? Okay. Then once you made clone, click here on the box. Click here on the box. So the length will become smaller. How much is the length? 150 is what we decided, right? Yeah, give 150. The width will get a little bit bigger. Let's say 600. And the height also maybe 500 will be fine. Then in the y-axis, you have to type 750. And in the x-axis, you have to type 100. Yeah.
Another one is make and minus 70.
Yes, you not minus, you just edit, you say clone. Then here you will type, yeah, minus 750. This side. 1 minute. You will select this handle, edit, clone, click OK.
Put in a name.
And here you will put minus 1500. Oh, sorry, minus 750. 750 or 1000? No, it should come here. It's not this one. No, we will. Okay. I think we can keep 50. In the X will be good. Yeah, 50 will be fine. Okay. For both of them, in the X-axis, type 50. That's fine. Save it because the polygons are getting higher and it's making the PC slower now. In the X-axis, you can.
we created more polygon now. That segment is not. How we can merge? We need to keep less polygon after creating that.
This one, if you less it, the smoothness will go away.
No, we create all.
Mm.
Then we can
Group, then the polygon will be always the same only.
No, if it is one polygon
Mm.
then if you extrude, we can
And like on the side, extrude, and
include,
still it will be.
it will be more polygon.
Done? So what I will do now, I will select this big sofa. I will go to the edit, clone, click OK. So this is going to be that back part. So go to the box. So this one you have to reduce actually the width. I'm going to give the width as 150. I'm gonna move him in the x-axis. Let's say minus 150 on the x-axis, and on the z-axis I'm gonna type 300. Maybe more, 400. Maybe.
Just go minus 5, 0, 0. It's correct.
What is the difference normal copy and clone?
This is fine, huh?
Normal copy,
Mm.
like move and selection,
Mm.
cannot copy directly.
You can. It's the same actually. Clone is keeping the object on the same place. Shift, you are moving it far away.
If that usage will change, if we move, this is easy.
The coordinates will change. Reduce the length to 750. We have two cushions, right?
Again, clone.
No. Reduce the length to 750. Once you reduced it,
I change
7.
three or four.
yeah, you will make two.
Width 7,
Mm-hmm.
width
Not the width. The length is 750.
So x-axis, we have to say y-axis.
Y-axis, not X. Just copy him like that. It won't be 750.
748.
Yeah, 750 is fine.
width how much here? 150.
With 150 only. Y, I'm gonna put 400. Minus 400 for the first one. Oops. And the second one will be again 400.
So I would make copy, right?
Yeah.
Can I see your parameter?
Which one? Which one? This one? Here.
You actually raise the curve.
Yeah, I raised it up.
But I'm putting minus one, it's coming back, there is a gap in the middle.
It's okay. Just arrange him manually. Yeah.
So how much in the z-axis will you raise it?
I 300.
Okay, please move.
350. 300. 350 doesn't matter. And just select these two objects, the cushion, and rotate him in the y-axis around something around minus 10. This one, right? X and Y will be minus 200, minus 400 in the Y. X nothing. Yeah. Hmm. You have to select both of them, click rotate, and type minus 10 in the y-axis.
I will select both. Huh?
Yeah, select both.
Both Z.
Minus 10.
Oh, T.
Hmm.
Rotate.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
The second one, the XY,
Yeah.
the same.
Y.
Minus 1's 200, 358.
After creating the two,
Yeah, minus 10 in Y.
Minus 10 in Y. Click on the rotate. Why is it not?
Oh, I mean minus
rotate it minus 10 in the y-axis.
One's there on top.
1 minute.
Okay.
Just move it. Like, it's not about arrange. Like,
It's backside now.
backside, back.
Select.
These
people use move it here, right? Sizes.
Oh, okay.
No, it's a corner of 1 by 1. No. Okay, coming from that. More. Just go.
Ah, nice.
Oh.
It's a color.
How
How you change the color?
why one is big, one is small?
It's covered.
Style.
Style.
I want to change. Which one? Very Save.
Done? Save it, huh? Select both of them, click on the rotate and type minus 10 here.
We can.
Yes.
Can I make
Yeah, anything you like. No, no, no. Okay, select all of them. That's so far. Control and select all of them.
Control A.
No control A. Just press control and select.
What is the difference? Only this.
When you press control A, sometimes, not like, sure, it will select your room also, which is hidden.
Even if it is hidden?
Even if it is hidden, yeah, it happens. So control select these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and click here on the group and make it as a group. Name him sofa. So when you move, all of them will move together. Okay? Group. Group sofa.
Attached and what is the difference?
Which one?
No, one command is attached.
This one, right?
Yes.
Attach will make what happens, it will become as one object. So if you want to apply material for each one of them, you have to make it edit poly. In group, you can ungroup anytime, it will break into different pieces. No need to do attach. Attach, then you have to make it edit poly and it will go here and there. Okay, right click, unhide all to bring back all of them. So the sofa will be outside your house. So in the x axis, I'm going to type, let's say 4,500. No, sorry, in the y axis. Then in the x axis, I'm going to type, let's say, around 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 in the x axis, 4,500 in the y axis. Maybe I can take him closer to the wall. 800 will be fine. Little bit gap between the wall.
We will get the error after. Yeah. Yes, they are cutting the salary. And warning also. Yeah, there is warning.
You have roof salad, right?
The roof what?
In this perspective view,
Mm.
you have roof or you have up.
I have roof here.
So how light is coming inside the view?
This one, I'm in the shaded view. You are in the realistic view. We will see inside. For now, no need to see inside.
Okay.
Don't worry. We will see inside. And we don't want in the middle. No, we want it on the middle. Then the y-axis should be 3,500 if you want it on the middle. Maybe you can move the sofa and the coffee table, but this will go away. Let it be like this, straight. Done? Okay. Control A to select all object. Right click, hide selection, and save. Save if you want. Now one more. This cupboard. So this one, the length, I'm gonna give height. Height is quite near to the door. Door is 2 means okay, fine. 180. Click on the box. In the keyboard entry, I'm gonna give the length as 1,200, width as same 500, height as 1,500. Create. Length 1,200, width 500, height 1,500. Done? Go to the perspective view. Once you create on top view, go to the make all the segments for now as 1, 1 and 1. And only in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only on the height, mention 5 segments. Press F4 to see it. No? What happened?
So many boxes.
So many boxes. Length segment 1, width segment 1, height segment 5. What happened?
Okay.
Done? Okay. Once you're done, right click on your mouse, convert to editable poly.
And select that.
Select the object, right click on your mouse, convert to editable poly.
So to modify the polygons, we need to
Convert, always.
If we are not modifying, we are not converting, then we will not be able to modify the separate polygons.
Nothing. You can, but you cannot apply separate phases, different materials. That is the reason. Yeah. So only. Okay. Click here on the edge. Click on the edge. Press and hold the control key on your keyboard. Double click on this one. Double click on this edge. Double click on this edge. Double click on this. All the edges. No, all of them. Yeah, middle, which will select all of them actually. To select all the sides. See here. Or loop as well, but you know.
Double clicking is basically loop.
Loop command only. Yeah. Loop and ring depends upon where you're double click. Done double click? Okay. Click on the black box near chamfer and give the chamfer value as 20 millimeters. Green tick mark to finish. Mm. Done? No, we will not delete anything. Just click on the polygon and select all these polygons.
One side, right?
Yeah, one side.
What we do, we select all the borders.
Mm.
Then go for insert.
Not all. This all polygons. Just extrude them. No need to insert. Just click on the black box near extrude.
Select this
How
one.
much is that 20?
And draw our thickness 30 will be fine.
This one.
And 25 will be also fine. Extrude 25. That's it.
Make it like this.
Done.
What is the shortcut? For example, I just want to bring from this side to this side for measurement. I will check how long is the dimension.
You mean from here to here?
Yeah, example.
Then you have to draw a box.
Like with
You have to draw a box to know what is the length, what is the width. Now, select the topmost polygon. Click on the black box near extrude. Give a value just like 20 millimeters. Green tick mark to finish it. And again extrude 20 millimeters. Done. Then select this polygon, the front one, the top 20. Press shift and select this polygon. So it will select all around the object like that.
Again.
Not loop. Select this polygon,
Okay.
shift this polygon. Instead of control and clicking. Yeah. Click on the black box near extrude. Make it local normal. Leave it as 20. Green tick mark to finish. So it will extrude from all the sides to bring that detail. Huh? 20, same. 20, it's more than enough. Click on the create to finish. I want to extrude on all the 4 sides. If you don't do local normal, it will extrude from only one side, which means it will go only on the x-axis.
The corner will be
Local normal means perpendicular to the local
Axis.
of all the polygons.
Yeah. See this one. For example,
if you extrude.
if I extrude without local normal, okay, this is how the polygon will go. If I say local normal, each polygon will take that particular axis like this. If I say by polygon, it will extrude like this. All polygons individually extruding. Okay. So local normal, 20. Green tick mark to finish. Okay. Once you click on the create, go to the top view, right click, unhide all. So I'm going to move him on the y axis. It's already on 3500. I'm going to say in the y axis, let's say how much was our width? Length, sorry. 1500, 750. Can I make it 2000? Okay. In the x axis, how much was the sofa? 800. So this I'm going to say the same, 800.
Will you group that?
Nothing to group, it's one object anyhow. So 1800 in the y axis, 800 on the x axis. That. So it should look like this. See? 1800 in the x8.
How do you see that?
See what?
Inside.
You want to see inside the room? Click on the create first.
Press Z on your screen.
Inside.
Zoom in. Scroll the mouse to go inside. All. Inside. Scroll inside. Or do one thing. Select the ceiling and have it. Shaded. Shaded. No realistic. No, change here. It says realistic to shaded.
Okay, so, you will go for the all realistic shade,
Realistic to shaded. Not now. The camera. We didn't put any camera or anything. Yeah.
How you seeing inside? Just you zoom in.
Yeah, I just zooming in. See,
Whatever I'm always
hiding the ceiling.
hide the roof.
That's also fine. Go. Go. बोलना कभी भी आ सकते हैं क्यों क्या हुआ ठीक है
There is no norm.
ठीक है मैं अभी आता हूँ हाँ रुक के आएगा तो सब खत्म हो जाता है भाई हाँ हाँ चलो भाई okay go to the application menu save it